Hello YouTube. So this is my Royal Enfield Bullet, a Bullet 500. I've been trying to install a windshield for quite some time now. As you might be aware, now we are getting a stock windshield, a company accessory, which costs almost 6,000 rupees. And I was looking for a little more cheaper alternative for quite some time. So the best possible windshield that was available in the market was the Bajaj Avenger windshield, the old model. And I purchased this windshield almost 2 to 3 years back. Tried multiple ways to actually fix it into the bike. So it used to come with original clamps, which I had actually got it welded and drilled and fixed it here. But then the windshield used to come right up front, and whenever I used to take the bike off the middle stand or bend forward, the helmet used to eventually always hit the windshield. So finally I got my bike, the Bullet, overhauled completely. As you can see, it's got a completely new paint job, engine work, everything. And I worked upon an idea to actually fix the windshield on the entire headlight cluster. So this is a Bajaj Avenger windshield. What I have done, as you can see, is, let me zoom in, I've taken it to a welder and got the entire, if you see these joints, it is actually in 4 different joints. And since mine was the AVL 500 Bullet, these are stock. There were already holes out here for a stock windshield which used to be given 10 to 11 years back. So on both the sides you have these stock bolts. And what I figured out is the best way to actually set up the windshield is right somewhere here. So it becomes easier for, in case your the headlight bulb or anything goes off, you can easily take out the screw and release and open up the entire front headlight assembly and fix a bulb. So what I got done is, if you can clearly see here, these were actually quite longer. So we got this shaved off at a welder, and my mechanic actually got this done. So we got these extensions, if you see, these metal extensions welded on very clearly. If this video is pretty clear, I'm sure you'll be able to make out the kind of modification that we have done. Now, since we already had 2 holes, I was a little apprehensive about putting 2 more holes into the headlight assembly, but it actually worked out well, and we made 2 holes, which is, I think, I don't know the size of the nuts, but it's a 10 number nut is what my mechanic had actually told me. So we drilled it through a drill machine, got the measurements done, got these things welded. So it is actually working out pretty well, and post which I got this entire thing powder coated. So it's actually black, matte black, which has been powder coated and bolted on with the engine head bolts. So it's actually quite stable. I've actually ridden the bike for close to 1,000 kilometers now. I've actually ridden the bike for almost 1,000 kilometers, and there's ample amount of safety from windblast. So it's actually working quite well. So if any one of you really wanna fix, I'll put the cost and details down in the link below, and the contact number of the mechanic who can actually work this out for you. So right now the stock Royal Enfield windshield costs close to 6,500, and this just worked out to me for close to around 4,000 including everything. So if you like this video, do put a like button and subscribe. It'll be really helpful. As this is my first vlog, thought this will be helpful to others, so posting this. Cheers and have a good day. Bye bye.